What's up there, fellow rockstar entrepreneur? This is Ben Littlefield coming at you from the secret lair. All right, I have been underground for a while, so has Dr. Dan, because we have put together something you do not want to miss. I'm going to be real quick right here. We've got a case study. We are going to show you a very specific case study with something you might be familiar with, our patented, tried and true, fan favorite Google Love method. Well, I'm going to show you this Google Love machine, and I'm going to show you a case study with a client with an e-commerce business that, let me just say this, 7-week-old business, like a brand new baby, still an infant, hasn't even learned to crawl yet, okay? 7-week-old business that is already generating $1,200 a week using this Google Love machine strategy that I'm going to show you. Not only will you be able to use this for your own projects, even if you've got your own e-commerce stuff, or for clients, or to use this to attract clients that will get you paid over and over and over again. You'll learn how to turn virtually any site into a money site within minutes. So grab your seat, get it reserved for this amazing case study. We're going to show you everything and how this is newbie friendly, safe, and awesome. Like, we wouldn't do it if it wasn't awesome. So grab your seat, don't miss it. This is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to see you there on this live training. All right, you know what to do. And as always, keep on rocking.